Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Learning Guitar. We have CKay here with a song called By Now. So this one is a 4-chord song that goes over and over in the same way. We have strumming and we have this melody going on, so we can choose either way. Let's start this one up. No need for any cape on this. So we're gonna look at the chords first. The first one will be the C sus2. Alright, so that's a bar chord. You have a bar here on the 3rd fret from the A string and down, so that means 5 strings if you count from bottom and up like this. And then the rest will be 5th on D, and 5th on G. That's the C sus. Next chord is the A minor 7. So that's open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have the E minor 7, okay? So we'll hold it like this when we are playing the strumming pattern. That's the full chord. So that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. We want this 3rd E note there. Alright, and the last chord will be a B minor chord. So that's a bar here on the 2nd fret, again from the A string and down. 5 strings, and then the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And that is the chord progression through the entire song. C sus, A minor 7, E minor 7, and the B minor. Okay, so we're gonna look at this melody first. So starting with the C sus part, it will sound like this. So you just hold the chord as it is. Then you're gonna play 3rd on A, 5th on D, 3rd on B, 5th on G, and back to 5th on D. That's the rhythm, and that's the notes. Now we're shifting to the A minor 7. That part sounds like this. So that is, again, hold the chord as it is, and then you're gonna play open A, 2nd D, 1st B, open G, and back to 2nd D. Now we're moving on to the E minor 7, and it's enough if you just hold this grip, the 2nd on D, and the 3rd on E. The part sounds like this. Okay, so that is 2nd on D, then open B, then 3rd E, and then you add the 3rd B and play the last one, open B. So 2nd D, open B, 3rd E, 3rd B, and open B. The last 2 notes there, the 3rd and the open B, I play the 3rd B and then I just pull off to get the open B. So I don't pick 2 times with my right hand on the B string. So I'm just playing once here, the 3rd B string, and then I just pull off with my ring finger I'm using there on the 3rd B. Some technique stuff there. That's the E minor 7 part, and then the final B minor sounds like this. So hold the chord again as it is, and then you're gonna play 2nd on A, 4th on G, 2nd on E, 3rd on B, and back to 4th on G. And that is one round of this melody. So slowly it goes like this. Let's go to the chords now, And yeah, when you play the chords, you're gonna of course hold the grips as they are. But now for the E minor 7, when we play the strumming, I prefer to hold a full chord. We'll learn in the intro of this tutorial here. This grip, okay? So we don't need the full grip here when we're playing the melody, but for the chord strumming, it will be better. So hold a full chord when it comes to the E minor 7. All right, so the strumming pattern will be the same through the entire song. One round, we can show that with the first chord, the C sus2. It will be like this. Okay? So that is down, down, up, clap, down. Down, down, up, clap, down. You play that for one round per chord, so slowly like this. That is one round. With some tempo, it goes like this. And that pretty much covers CKay's By Now. So go either with the melody, the strumming, or mix it up. It's up to you. Good luck with this one, guys. Play tuned.